The Sundial Bridge at Turtle Bay crosses the Sacramento River in the heart of Redding, California, designed by the renowned architect and engineer Sundial. The bridge links the 300-acre north and south campuses of Turtle Bay Exploration Park. It has served as the downtown entrance to Redding's extensive Sacramento River Trail system since its July 2004 opening. The bridge celebrates human creativity and ingenuity. Important themes of Turtle Bay: the steel, glass, and granite span evokes a sense of weightlessness, and the translucent non-skid decking provides for spectacular viewing at night while being environmentally sensitive. The pylon, cable stays, and glass deck preserve salmon spawning habitat beneath the bridge while encouraging public appreciation for the river. In addition to being a functional work of art, the sundial is a technical marvel. The cable stayed structure has an inclined 217-foot pylon constructed of 580 tons of steel. The deck is made of 200 tons of glass and granite and is supported by more than 4,300 feet of cable. The structure is stabilized by a steel truss and rests on a foundation of more than 115 tons of steel and 1,900 cubic yards of concrete. That's the Sundial Bridge. I don't know how it functions or how it works, but it's quite amazing how something like this was ever built. Very long, outlandish bridge. I really like this feature of the bridge. Very unique. It looks as though only people can walk on it, no vehicles. Picture